Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your avatar on Roblox application. So first of all, of course, if you have Roblox player on your PC, that will be great to use it. It will be much smoother, much faster. And of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you have or you currently using. Of course, once you do that, just go to the URL, type roblox.com and hit the enter button. That will lead you into a page. From that page, you will need to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can create it. Of course, just give them your birthday and enter a username and a password. Then you will be able to create an account. Once you do that, you will need to verify your email if you want to get a free item. If you don't want, just skip that option and go to the download link that they will give you. Then download it on your PC and install it. Then run the Roblox player. Once you do that, of course, you'll need to log in again into your account here. And once you log in into your account, you'll find yourself at this screen, which is going to be your home or your main screen. And of course, you may have here different games depending on what you actually maybe played or what Roblox is suggesting to you. So of course, if you want to edit your avatar, you can even edit it on your just browser, but as I said, it will not be smooth as here. So of course, once you are here, all you need to do, just go and click at your profile picture right here at the right, or at the left, sorry. And from here you can actually like edit your profile picture if you want. And maybe you will need some of them, you will need to pay for them, and you have here some for easy ones. Oh, not easy, sorry, some for free ones. And of course, if you want, you can just zoom in, zoom out, do whatever you want, and even rotate if you want. Of course, you can save if you want to actually change the profile picture. If you want to change the avatar, you'll need to click again and then click add customize. So from here, you can change your customize. Of course, if you have some Robux, you can buy some customize from here. Of course, you can change the head and body. There are some free ones here, and even the clothing. You will find some free ones in here. But if you don't have it, of course, as you can see, that they give me that because I verify my email. If you don't have if you didn't verify it, they will not give you this. Of course, as I said, you will find some free things that they give you, like this. Of course, you can hear, if you maybe have even something you buy, you can customize it. You can just click on it once and you will be able to put it in there. So once you finish, just go back and everything will be saved. You will not need to click at any save, and of course your profile picture will be changed at whatever you customize. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.